Hey there, Mike Gannotti, Solutions Architect, Philadelphia MTC with
Todd Furst.
Tariq, Hameed.
And we are here on the waterfront in Baltimore for our edition of Architects 360. So a lot of great stuff we've been learning in our offsite, etc.
Yeah.
But we had some things we wanted to talk about. And Todd, I think you had something in particular that's very cool.
So the Windows 10 anniversary release just came out, and one of the new features is called the Auto VPN.
Auto VPN.
Yeah.
Okay, and
so what's interesting about that is we've always had VPN, and
Right.
we've always had direct access since
Yep.
back in the day a little bit. One of the great things about direct access is it just was there and you didn't even think about it.
just ubiquitous.
Yeah.
You didn't even have to. Yeah.
Right, so you could get to your corporate resources,
Yep.
go to the internet, and you didn't have to think about what you have to do.
Right.
So one of the downsides with that is you had to be a domain join machine,
Sure.
or you couldn't do direct access. And in today's world of mobility, there's a lot of people who just don't have that.
Right.
So we still have direct access, just to be clear. So
Yep.
number one there. And then they added something new called Auto VPN in Windows 10, which essentially
Nice.
allows you to use any VPN client. It could be Cisco, F5.
Really? So we don't care
Microsoft.
about it.
Yeah, it's
Ours,
now,
we obviously are using the Microsoft.
right. The goal here is say we don't care about let's use what you want to use, and then all we do is set a policy and says when you access an application, give an application or go to a different URL that's a corporate one, it will spin up the VPN for you,
Right.
and just work with what you got. And at least how it's implemented at Microsoft, it auto logs us in because we've already authenticated at least once
So
or
does
twice.
it pick up your default VPN? So
Yeah,
it's whatever
and
is defined.
and what's nice about the last piece is, so again, if you have a machine that's not domain joined, let's just say you're using MDM, so
Yeah.
it could be Intune or third party,
Yeah.
they can set all these policies and say when you go to your expense internal application, fire up the VPN, connect it in and go, and it just works.
It just works.
And you don't even have to be domain joined.
Nice.
So that's the beauty of it. Yeah.
Beauty. So if you're looking at that for your organization,
Yeah. Look
Auto
on
VPN.
Tech, Auto VPN, Windows 10, works with what you have.
awesome.
Yeah.
Tariq, you had some stuff.
I have a little bit update on the Project Rigel, and what Project Rigel is, it's about...
What is it? Come on up here so we can hear
Yeah.
you.
It's
Rigel.
about our video conferencing integration with Office 365. So whether you have old VTC endpoint like Tandberg or
Right.
Life Size or whatever you have in your environment, that can integrate with your Office 365 use it over the Project Rigel, which is Polycom Real Connect solution. So the real update is that they will try their best to give you the preview of that during Ignite. And our projection is to make it available to public by end of this calendar year. So
Very
I'm really
cool.
excited about that. It's going to be a video conferencing integration with all your endpoints using that solution.
Right.
So all the information around licensing and pricing, that's been working out right now. We don't have that information yet, but it's looking really
Very early on, but the
Yeah.
early information's come out, and now we just want to make
So
people
that's
aware
Project
of it.
Rigel. There's another one called, sorry, my apologies. That's Project Aqua.
Aqua.
Oh, my
Project
God.
Rigel
Like
is about
Aqua, like the water.
Aqua, the water.
There we go.
Sorry, that's
Right.
the integration with Office 365. The Project Rigel is about taking all meeting rooms, moving all meeting rooms, giving you the experience like a Surface Hub kind of experience.
Like a Surface Hub without
So
the hub.
It's without the hub.
Ooh.
So basically, it's like an endpoint can be connected to your flat screens, your projector, and
Yeah.
everything.
Old TVs you got
old
up.
TV, and you can run using that console. You can
And the
use that
console's based off of a.
based off of our Surface Pro. And,
Yeah.
But our
Nice.
partners like Logitech and Polycom and Crestron, they're
Right.
working together to give you more value out of that.
Excellent.
So it's coming again. It's coming by end of this calendar year. But look at Ignite. There'll be some updates.
Very cool.
So it's really looking promising. So our goal is to turn every meeting room experience like a Surface experience.
Like a Surface experience.
Easy to
Awesome.
use. Yeah.
Well, thank you, gentlemen. This is
Okay.
awesome. I was going to talk, but I'm going to actually, let's keep it nice and
save
short and
something.
sweet for today.
Okay.
Or for this one, we'll save some more for some more Waterfront 360. With that, this is Mike.
Tariq.
And Todd.
Bidding you have a great day. Take care and enjoy the
Enjoy the
beautiful
weather.
outdoors. Look around.
Look around.
Have a great one. Thanks.
Thank you.